Okay, so then this question is similar to the other questions we've done now. It says z is the product of x times y, and it's asking us to find the inverse z to the minus 1. So we're going to start off by multiplying the two matrices together, and then we're going to find the inverse of z by doing that special switcheroo. So x times y is going to be, again, we're going to do the top row with the left column to get the top left number. So we're going to do 1 times 1 plus minus a quarter times 2. Then we're going to do the top row with the right column. So we're going to do 1 times 2 plus minus a quarter times 8. To do the bottom left, we're going to do bottom row with left column. So 1 times 1 plus minus a half times 2. And then to get bottom right, we're going to do the bottom row with the right column. We're going to do 1 times 2 plus minus a half times 8. And then we're going to simplify that. So 1 times 1 is 1. Minus a quarter times 2 is minus a half. So that's going to be 1 and a half. It's going to be a half. 2 add minus a quarter times 8. Minus a quarter times 8 is 2. So we're going to have 2 take away 2, which is going to be 0. Bottom left is going to be 1 minus 1. And bottom right is going to be 2 minus 4. So that's going to be negative 2. Okay, so that is x times y. We now need to find the inverse of that, and that's going to be what z is. Sorry, this is z already, but we now want the inverse of that to get z minus 1. So to do that, we times these two numbers together. That's going to be the determinant. A half times minus 2 is minus, sorry, yeah, a half, not minus a half. And then we would normally do subtract these two times together, but that's just going to be 0. Okay, then we switch these two numbers around, keeping the signs the same. And then we change the signs of these, but they're still going to just be 0. I'm going to simplify this. So a half times minus 2 is minus 1. And 1 divided by minus 1 is minus 1. So we're going to multiply each of these things by minus 1. That's just going to change the signs. So it's going to be 2, 0, 0, minus a half. So that's the answer for z minus 1. And where's that one? 2, 0, 0, minus half is option C.